our 7th annual Girls STEM Camp. Super excited to be at Taft Elementary. We have over 100 girls doing many different types of STEM activities. Right behind us here we have drones. Students are learning how to program drones, do some different tricks with them, learning the basics of coding. In some of our other sessions we have veterinarians, kids learning how to be vets. They're suturing bananas, taking care of pets. We have paramedics, building rockets, respiratory therapists, a little bit of everything. The thing that makes this event so cool in my mind though is that all the presenters are female STEM professionals. So these girls can really emulate and see that females can be in all these STEM fields as well.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Well, we're learning about the rocket, like about the laws of motion, and about Isaac Newton's 3 laws, and we're launching rockets. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! He's a baby and he's really wobbly. I'm not even hardly touching him. We want him to have a good experience. Okay. So,
is that a girl?
This, I'm going to tell you. So this is Chiku. Chiku is a Taita falcon, okay? And a Taita falcon is a endangered falcon. He's from Africa, okay? So this is the most endangered bird that we have in our education program right now. And I told you he's only 4 weeks old. He is a boy. His name Chiku means one who talks a lot in Swahili, which is an African language that, remember I told you he's an African bird. So Swahili, people who speak Swahili are often found in the same sort of region where he's found.
You have to see replicas of their bones, like their foot and their skull.
You have seatbelts that go across them, and then seatbelts that go across their chest to hold them in like they're in a race car almost.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately we're on the road, right? So sometimes accidents happen on the road, even in an ambulance. So we want to make sure that this person is safe and nothing happens to them if something should happen on the road.
We're also learning about how you can handle like a situation when, like if they're having a hard time breathing, you can use the oxygen mask, and when they're having a little hard time breathing, just like a thing that goes in your nose and pumps oxygen, so it helps you breathe.
1, sumo. Now who's gonna take the win? Will they win both 4 rounds in a row, or will you come back for a second? Oh, they're coming from behind. They don't quite see you though. They're getting lost. You're giving a big old spin.
I did sumo bots, and so we named our bot Beetlebot, and the funny thing is like for the next 2 rounds, so it was like our bot was just spinning around when the other bot just drove off the ring, and we won immediately.
Well, I think for Girls STEM Camp, I hope that the girls understand that they can do science, and there's so many opportunities for them. I just hope they get excited about it today and maybe start thinking about the kinds of things they're interested in for their future.